true? Yung mga accusations sa inyo? Huh? Answer me! Look, we have money, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. We have enough money. Mom, pinapaimbestigahan na kayo ni Dad. What? We're just gonna pay everyone off until this all goes away? Maureen, stop being a burden. Stay out of this.
Can you just listen to your mom, Maui? Marami na kaming problema. Huwag ka na dumagdag. Just go back to your fiancé.
Sugat ako nga lahat ng parang kasi hindi niyo ako masagot eh. Anyway, tagal ko nang alam na may illegal kayo ginagawa. Tama nga ako. Do you even care how many people in this country are struggling? Tapos ikaw, hindi ka na naiyong pagtakawan sila. You got me! Stop it! Stop being a burden, okay? Stop it, Maui. Everyone was right about you. You're a useless politician. A bad father. Criminal ka.
Dare act holier than thou. Nakinawa ka rin sa pera ko. Your education. The roof over your head. The clothes on your back. That all came from my money.
Hindi mo yung pera! Pero yun ang tao bayan at every...
Nalagi mo eh. Pwede mo nguban?
Umuban eh!
Ay, fuck. Oh my God. Mama, please.
Ano ni?
I thought it was a month. Kasi kauban mo. Isa man. Ay, okay.
Maureen, come.
I see. So, imong mama, Maria,
Ha?
o si Lola. Ang
Gani.
okay. Okay, so, okay, this is my mom, Sean, Maria, and my other sister, and